Hello everyone. Our new curriculum for Wales is a once-in-a-generation chance to revolutionise the quality of opportunities for our children and young people. Staff have worked incredibly hard to develop and deliver these opportunities, putting learners' well-being and progression at the heart of everything they do. Today, I can confirm that the curriculum for Wales will continue to be implemented in primary schools and non-maintained nursery settings from September 2022. But I also recognise the particular challenges faced by secondary schools due to the pandemic, especially with new systems of assessment and qualifications. I have therefore decided it's important that secondary schools are given the option to either continue with their existing plans for Year 7 with rollout starting in 2022, or to start in 2023 with both Year 7 and 8 together. I'm determined the emphasis on well-being and flexibility we've seen in the last year is built upon and closely linked with the new curriculum. And it's clear to me from speaking to you that the strong desire for reform remains, and we should grasp the opportunities in front of us. Thank you.